Now you're going to hear from Sam and Isaac, the Year 7 boys who recorded the tour of the school for you last week, as they speak about their experience of transition from Year 6 to Year 7.
I'm Sam.
And I'm Isaac.
And we're here to tell you about our experience at MGS so far. To be honest, at first it was quite overwhelming, but after a week or so, when I got my head round it, it was so easy and it was just a breeze from then onwards.
I really didn't want to move from primary schools. I liked it. It was nice and cosy. It was like we were all staying. We all had like one class, one teacher. We didn't have to move around or anything and carry all our books home. So, when I got here, I didn't feel like I was going to fit in, and because all my friends had gone to different schools, and I really thought that I was going to be just alone in the school. But after about 2 or 3 weeks, I started to make friends and feel at home here.
I think the whole MGS community, all the teachers, all the older people, like elder years in forms, so they've really helped out as well.
Yeah, it's like all the year 12s in my form were really helpful in trying to make me feel at home here.
I actually really like it in the way that it's a pyramid, so you've got year 7s, 8s, 9s, so if you're just starting, which I was last year, it was incredibly easy having older companions helping you around, showing you where to go, making life so much easier. So at MGS, we've got a house system with 4 different houses being College, Corpus Christi, Barton, and Tunbridge.
And you get different stripes in your ties. Like I'm in College and I have a green stripe on my tie, and so it's really nice. You have like some sort of community surrounding you. Each of the houses, it's a different community, and the school itself is that community all joined together. So you have like different house assemblies. You have assemblies with your house, and like you get to talk together in your forms. Like your form is a house, just a smaller house in a bigger one.
The houses are like a family, but your form rooms are like a smaller family in a bigger family in the family of Maidstone Grammar School. At MGS, we are incredibly proud about our appearance, and we have to make sure our shirts are always tucked in, our ties are always on perfectly, just making sure you look perfect at all times. In primary school, I used to wear clip-on ties, and it was just so easy to just clip on and off, but in secondary school, I was all over the place trying to tie up my tie, but now it's just a casual thing that I can do easily.
Yeah, I forgot this morning. Due to confinement, I forgot, and this morning I had to be re-taught how to make my own tie.
I kept forgetting as well this morning. I was like, in primary school, it wouldn't normally be you taking care of yourself, as your parents would be a big part of this, but now you're in secondary school, you need to take care and be organised in everything you do because it's your responsibility to have everything ready for when you need it. Having more subjects and more teachers does make it hard, but it is pretty easy once you get used to it, and organisation is key at MGS. If you get lost somewhere, if you're a new year 7, just get out your planner or your timetable and you'll definitely find yourself around the school.
And also there's a special website called Insight that will mark all your homeworks and their due date, so there's no getting away with saying, I don't have no homework. Parents can actually see on Insight, see what homework you have. So Learn to Learn is where you actually learn to learn. So you learn how to manage all your homework and timetables and how to revise and study during the period of exams. Like, it helps you study for exams that are upcoming.
I didn't worry too much about coming to MGS because when I was in year 5 and year 6 in primary school, I knew that the only place I wanted to come in the future was to MGS, and that was the only thing I wanted in life at that time in life. And now I'm here, I'm so happy and proud to be a Maidstonian.
At the start, I was kind of worried about MGS that I wouldn't actually fit in with the school, and also that I might be late for school because I live far away, so I have to take the bus to school. And so that worried me that I was going to be late. Now I feel like it's okay. I know exactly what time, when to get the bus, and I have fit into the school. I am part of the MGS community now.
Even though it could be incredibly overwhelming at first, after the first week or two, you'll be perfectly fine. You'll be organised, you'll be ready for everything. You'll know what you're doing, and it will be very easy.
Also, try and stay on top of homework, because then it means you get it all done really quickly and nicely, and that means you have more time to play around once you've done your homework.
Just overall, don't worry about anything, and even if you do, you've got brilliant teachers all around you who you can ask for help or anything like that.
Okay, Isaac, anything you want to say?